Hello students, in this video we will discuss about trees in data structures and its terminology. Okay, so in linear data structures, data is organized in sequential order, whereas in non-linear data structures, data is organized in random order. Okay, so we'll say trees are non-linear data structure. Here the data is organized in a non-linear fashion and in random order. Okay, that's why we call tree is very popular non-linear data structure, and it is widely used in many applications. Okay, mostly in network applications. Okay, so we can define tree data structure as a non-linear data structure which organize data in hierarchical structure. This is called hierarchical format, tree format. Okay, where it consists of roots and children. Okay, and we call the tree is a recursive definition also, where we will perform using recursion iteratively. Okay, and also we will say tree is a data structure where collection of data is organized in an hierarchical structure recursively. Okay, so in tree data structure, every individual node is called every individual element is called a node. Okay, so in tree data structure we will organize data in a hierarchical format, and every element in tree is represented as a node. This is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J are the elements. We are organizing this data in hierarchical format. So here when we are arranging data in hierarchical format, every element is represented as a node in a tree. Okay, in a tree data structures, if we have n number of nodes, okay, n number of nodes means what? Here now every element is represented as a node, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J are nodes in a tree. Okay, so if we have n elements in this tree, now it has maximum of, if there are n nodes in a tree, there may be maximum of n minus 1 links between the nodes. Okay, see here, now here the nodes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 nodes. So it has maximum of n minus 1 links, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 elements and 9 links. Okay, so here we can say a tree with 10 nodes has 9 edges. Okay, so in a tree every element is arranged in a tree, the elements are arranged in a hierarchical format where each element is represented as a node, and these elements are linked by using a links. Okay, this is the tree. Okay, now in a tree data structure, a node, suppose in a tree this is a tree data structure. In a tree data structure, a node can have any number of child. Okay, so we say A is a node. We can say a node can have any number of child. Here B and C are children of A. D, E, F are children of B. G is child of C. I, J is children of G. So in a tree data structure, a node can have any number of child nodes. Okay, this is called a tree data structure. So in data structures, a tree data structure is called a non-linear data structures where the elements are data is organized in an hierarchical format. Elements are organized in a random order. Okay, each element is represented as a node and the nodes are linked by links. Okay, if a tree has n nodes, then it must have n maximum of n minus 1 links. Okay, and a node can have any number of child nodes. Okay, this is about tree data structures. Now we will see the main important terminology of tree data.